B, A&E certification process for elementary and junior high school shall be both presentation, portfolio assessment, and E&E test. So ito ngayon, maganda, no? Kung hindi ko lang assure, pero sa aking interpretation dito, yung junior high school and elementary levels shall include both presentation, portfolio assessment. Ibig sabihin, may points na to siguro yung portfolio, no? Sana nga, no? And E&E test. Kasi hindi naman ito nakalagay na prerequisite o requirement yung portfolio para sa E&E test. Nakalagay dito, both, no? Both presentation of portfolio assessment and E&E test. So possible, merong points na ang portfolio. Okay? Yan, sa aking interpretation. The guidelines on the E&E test, registration and test administration shall be issued by the Bureau of Education Assessment in accordance with Bureau of Alternative Education. Ito ang maganda sa ngayon, no? Kung may points yan, ang portfolio, representation portfolio assessment, idadagdag mo doon sa A&E test na score, ay mas maganda. Halimbawa, 40 40, 60, 40 sa portfolio, 60, yan. Yan sa akin na yun, gawa ko na. Pero yun nakalagay eh.